Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Prema Venkatraman, BBA Faculty, Aviation, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science. A warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic that is about the standard operating procedures and the guidelines issued by the Airport Authority of India for all the passengers traveling during the domestic flight from one place to another place. This particular guidelines have been issued by the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri, on 21st of May 2020 before the commencement of air travel. We will be going through each one of the SOPs. The first one, from the origin to the airport, what each and every passenger are expected to go ahead and do it. The first one, social distancing and minimum touch. Social distancing and minimum touch is one of the most important things that has been followed from the time we have come across the pandemic in March 2020. Agreeing to fill a declaration form or having the Arogya Setu app downloaded on your phones. The Arogya Setu app is a government app which has been requested and mandatory to be downloaded by all the citizens of India, which gives us basically the entire safety procedures and the safety of our own selves. Digital payments and authorized usage of all your authorities and travel. Baggage limitations. Before the pandemic, each and every passengers were allowed to carry as much as 2 baggages with them in a hand, or at least 3 to 4 baggages with weight limitations. From the time we have basically come across the pandemic, each passenger is allowed to carry only 1 check-in baggage and 1 cabin baggage. Vulnerable passengers. Vulnerable passengers are pregnant ladies, elderly people who are above the age of 60, or passengers who basically have any kind of an ailment are requested not to travel. Ensure that web check-in is taken place before you enter to the airport. Passengers who are traveling are requested to show their ID cards and all the other documents that are necessary for the entry and travel purposes. Passengers are authorized to use only basically taxis which are authorized by the government or which are basically a security purpose. During the transit, passengers should take all precautions to prevent any kind of an infection. All the passengers are requested to basically certify the status of his or her health through the Arogya Setu app or through a self-declaration form. Now, these are the slides and the points wherein basically the passengers to adhere, which they are not supposed to do. Passengers should not reach the airport late. All the passengers are requested to arrive at the airport 2 hours before the departure to finish all the formalities. Passengers should not travel if or she is staying in a containment zone. All of us are aware that during the pandemic, each and every state has been divided into your green zone, your orange zone, as well as red zone. Depending upon the zone where you're coming in from and a containment zone, passengers are requested not to travel. Passengers should not travel if he or she has been basically tested for COVID-19. If a passenger who's permitted to fly undertakes and who's not permitted to fly undertakes a journey, is also adhered for penal action. In case the passenger does not have an Arogya Setu app downloaded on his mobile, there is a declaration form that is available at the counter of the airport, and the details have to be filled across. The airline shall ensure that the boarding pass is issued only after the passenger confirms the above declaration. If the above declaration form is not filled by any of the passengers, he or she is not allowed to take the flight. In case of a PNR, that is nothing but a passenger name record or a passenger number record having more than 1 passenger, the declaration form is deemed to be filled by all the passengers. Passengers at every point of time is requested to wear a mask. If a passenger is not wearing a mask, he or she is not allowed to enter the airport or even take the travel. Passengers who get down from the vehicle with the face masks are required documents and e-documents. Passengers to arrive at the thermal screening facility that is available at the airport. Passengers to get himself or checked for the temperature and display. At the airport, there is a counter that is available where you can power and download the Arogya Setu app. In case of the non-availability of Arogya Setu app, the passenger can go across to the counter where there will be a personnel available to help you to download the app and look at the safety procedures. Passengers to show his or her identity card. The passenger is requested to drop the baggage at the baggage drop area after tagging and printing the baggage tag. The passengers are also requested to minimize or not to use the baggage trolleys that are available at the airport. An electronic e-receipt will be provided at the registered mobile number. The passengers should adhere at the distancing of all the passengers and minimum touch at the airport. Passengers should complete all the formalities and the procedures 60 minutes prior to the departure. At the security check-in. Security check-in is the second most important part or important position at the airport where all the check-in happens across. At the security check-in, the normal and the guidelines to be followed are as follows. Arrangements have been made at the airports to guide passengers to walk through the pre-embarkation security screening. Pre-embarkation security screening is nothing but when the passenger has to go or take the boat to the boarding gate. Passengers to follow the directions as announced by the authorities and divest of all metals on the body to facilitate the security screening. Once you go basically through the screening, all the passengers are requested to remove all the metal articles that are in their own pockets or in their. We will now go through the procedures that are to be adhered at the security check-in, which is another important part at the airport terminal that's also known as the landslide. Arrangements have been made at the airports to guide passengers to walk through the pre-embarkation procedures. Passengers are requested to follow the directions that have been announced by the authorities during security check-in, and also all the metals that are there at the bodies to be removed and put across at the trays that is provided during screening. Passengers to bring only one baggage as per the prescriptions and specified by the airlines. Passengers are requested to cooperate with the security staff during the security check-in and the screening of baggages and themselves. Passengers are requested to proceed towards the security hold area after the security screening takes place. While waiting in the security hold area, passengers are requested to maintain a social distancing and minimum touch, and also sanitize themselves now and then. At the security hold area, there are chairs that are available for passengers to be seated. There would be certain chairs which would be marked as not to be used. The passengers are requested not to use those chairs which are marked not for use. While going around, that is the food and beverage outlets, retails and other kind of purchasing at the security hold area, the passengers should be aware of the locations where the sanitizers would be available. Please note at various locations sanitizers are made available. Passengers are requested to dispose of all biohazard materials like used masks, gloves, etc. before boarding the aircraft. While boarding, these are the certain things that has to be taken care while boarding the aircraft. Passengers to be attentive and also be attentive about various communications material displayed at the airport, about various health advisories relating to pre-boarding and during the flight precautions that has to be taken. Passengers to collect the safety guards, that is the mask and the sanitizers, from the people at the boarding gate. Passengers to wear masks during the time of boarding and also sanitize his hands before the boarding pass is issued. Passengers to be attentive towards the boarding announcements and reach the boarding queue by following the social distance. Display of the identity card passengers is a must, and check-in of the boarding pass would be done by the passengers by self-scanning procedures. Earlier, the scanning of the boarding pass used to take care by the ground staff and the ground personnel available at the boarding pass. During the flight, the passengers are strictly follow hygiene and sanitation, face-to-face interaction to be minimized. Passengers to be minimize the use of toilets, No queuing in front of the toilets. They have to adhere of using the toilets to a very large extent. No meal services would be provided to any of the passengers. No meal services would be provided to the passengers. There would be water bottles placed on the seats of every passenger for consumption. No newspapers or magazines also would be available for the passengers to read. If the passenger during the time of journey feels tired, feels a little fatigued out, or has any kind of a respiratory distress, is requested to go ahead and inform the crew or the pilot immediately so that the required action could be taken place. Airport to destination during the time of disembarkation, that is during as you arrive at the airport. The disembarkation from the airlines would be sequential. Sequential is nothing but there would be announcements done by the crew members that seat numbers from 1 to 10 to be disembarked first and then 10 to 12. All are requested to follow the same sequences during the time of disembarkation. For the disembarkation, all the passengers are requested to follow the announcements made by the crew. Social distance and sanitations to be adhered. Trolley areas at this arrival hall to be used in a very sparingly manner. At the baggage collection area. A baggage collection area is nothing where the passengers on arrival stand and collect their baggages which have been checked in. The following guidelines has to be taken place. Passengers to wait at the baggage hold area till the baggages arrive. Transit passengers will not be allowed to basically collect any baggage but are requested to go directly for check-in. Passengers are requested to hire only authorized taxis. Once you come out of the arrival hall, there would be prepaid taxis that are being authorized by the government. All passengers are requested to use only those authorized taxis or taxis which are basically recognized, like for example Ola or Uber. Distance, hygiene, sanitation is always one thing that the passengers have to be maintained at every given point of time. On the arrival, the passenger has to go across and maintain all the protocols that has been given by the current state government or by the union territories. For more information, I would request you all to please follow the link for contactless boarding announcements and boarding procedures at Bangalore Airport. Wish you a safe flight back home. Thank you.